We're just going to go through what the system comprises of. So you're going to be able to create squeeze pages and products really quickly. When I say quickly, I mean literally at the tap of a button, just inputting a little bit of information that you need within these products and pages. Okay, so the squeeze pages, very simple, very clear, very impactful, as you can see, and people will opt into these pages. You know, you're just choosing your text and your images, they set up. But what it is these squeeze pages link into a product that you can create in a matter of seconds in this software, and they are books just like this. These are checklist guides that you can offer to your audience, subscribers, your traffic, and give them a little bit of information to entice them in to then obviously promote affiliate offers. So what we've got here, is attractive little book that people want, you can give away for free, and essentially you can provide them with information and a nice attractive checklist, as we can see here. This one's about traffic sources, a lead magnet is all about just getting people through the door, giving them a taster, giving them a little bit of information, and then essentially showing them how they can get to the next level. Okay, so all of these books will come with a final page that has a call to action, which you can choose. We've got these buttons and they link out, so people can click on these, go to affiliate offers, go to websites, all those sorts of things. And then of course you can follow up with them with emails. Okay, so as I say, in the rest of the videos beneath, we'll show you how to set these up, how to set up the campaigns that we've pre-created for you, and how to get going. So good luck. We'll see you soon.